Hey guys, I want to show you an awesome outdoor project we're working on. This outdoor project has a true direct view Seura TVs going on a wall on the end of the pool. On each side of that wall is going to be some custom James speakers that'll be built right into the tile. We'll show you guys that later on during the construction phase. But as you can see, this pool pretty much takes the whole backyard. So a lot of planning has gone into this project. This is only day 2, guys. So a lot's already been done at this point. But want to show you what we plan on doing. Over there on the right side of the house, we're doing there's going to be a floating pergola top where we're going to do some custom James speakers. That's going to be over a fire pit area. And then where those little 2 trees are, there's going to be some custom James planter speakers with subwoofers. So lots of really cool things going on in this backyard. Can't wait to show you guys the finished project. So you guys make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys get notified as we update you on this awesome project. So subscribe, like, leave me comments down below. Till next time, guys, we'll see ya.